And I think we're seeing a really big change in computing as we see a move to the cloud. And we're seeing a real separation from the computer itself, so the underlying processor, the network and storage. And so really it's giving developers, I think, the opportunity to develop great applications without having to worry about all of that underlying infrastructure. But we're also seeing for the first time, I think, a very big move for customers wanting to look at their own data centers that are potentially run by somebody else, and being able to move their processing, their applications to the cloud. So it's an operating system that lets them do all of those things. Run it in their own data center, have someone else run it, and migrate very seamlessly to a data center that's operated and run by Microsoft.
And yet, how will your new server compete with the other products out there from Google and Oracle and a lot of your rivals?
I think what we see very much is that customers need enterprise secure solutions. We come from a place where we gave customers the opportunity to run that in their own premise, and we now give customers the flexibility to continue to do that, or also to utilize our cloud. And so we kind of think about it as computing on our customers' terms. So I think that's how we create the difference. It's the choice that we give our customers and that flexibility.
Now, you're based here in Asia. How are you expanding into countries that are perhaps less developed than others? How do you look to expand into developing countries within Asia?
One of the things we're seeing is this explosion of devices, and that's very true in Asia Pacific. So they say that in the next 5 years there will be 3 times as many devices as there are people on the planet. And we see that very much in Asia with the acceptance of the phone and the multitude of devices that we have. And so certainly that's a very big opportunity for, I think, data and therefore servers, because those devices are connected to cloud services, to applications that people are accessing somehow in the cloud.